In this video, I am going to explain you how to replace nested if by Vlookup. So earlier what we did, we take the data from other sheet and then we are bring to the new sheet. Okay. In this, there are two tables. One is the sales in lakhs. Let's take 39 lakh, 40 lakhs. Their salesman has achieved these sales. We need to calculate the incentive. They are given the incentive table. If the minimum and maximum incentive is given. For example, if one who takes up to 40 lakhs, he will be getting 10,000. Okay, so I need to bring this value to here by using Vlookup. Okay, so if you do with the if function, there will be about 5 ifs we need to put. So to avoid that confusion, the Vlookup is a very simple function. We can use the replace the nested if by using Vlookup. Okay, so I will be explaining how to do. Okay, now what I'm going to do is put same like Vlookup, open bracket. Before that, what you can do is you can select this range and then go to formulas and define the name as incentive and then give OK. So it will be more easy for us. So put after that, put a Vlookup, open bracket, lookup value is 39, put a comma. Table array is nothing but we are given already a name called incent, comma. It is in the third column. I'm putting a 3 and then putting a 0. Usually we put 0 for absolute, but let's see what will happen. See, it says NA, and then let's bring a drag down. Can you see this? Where and all NA is not it's NA is there because this 39 is not available here. This 78 is not available because we put 0 here. Instead of 0, you put 1. That is the approximate match. Now you can see this. So two things we learn. One is how to replace the Vlookup for nested if, and then why we are putting 0 and 1. So 0 for exact match, 1 for the approximate match. Hope this video will be useful. Thank you. Kumaravelan Kadai.